Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cindy and you are watching Interior Designs with Cindy Rayo. To get started, you want to go ahead and gather the following materials. Throughout my video, you'll see me using my multi-purpose cutter. You don't necessarily need this for this project. A ruler, razor, and a surface to cut on will do. However, if you're big on DIY projects, I highly recommend this product. It can be used on fabrics, film, paper, boards, and more. I'll leave a link in the description box below along with a 40% coupon. We'll start by emptying out the drawer. Then, we'll wipe it down clean. Before you measure, you want to lay out your objects and figure out which layout is most functional for you. Once that's taken care of, we can go ahead and start measuring. I found it easiest to work from the outside in. Start with your border. That way, you can make any adjustments as you go along. When measuring, take into consideration the height of the drawer and how high you want your dividers to stand. Go ahead and transfer your measurements onto your foam board. I first started with my length times my height. Then I did my width times my height. I did 2 of each, creating my frame. Now it's time to cut. Make sure to use a new razor. That way you get clean cuts and avoid hesitation marks in your foam. Place your frame and ensure that it fits. Ready to move on to the dividers. Measure the length and the width of your desired spacing. Insert your divider. Disregard those smaller pieces for now. I'll get into that in a moment. Place your objects in the drawer. Make sure everything fits just the way you want it. We're going to make stabilizers. This will keep the divider from falling or moving around. Measure the distance between the inside of each divider. You want to make 2 of the same to place on opposite ends of each divider. And that is it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. That way you guys don't miss out on any of our future videos. If you have any questions or suggestions about the project, let me know in that comment section down below. Till then, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!